Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to back up my data in Oppo K10 phone. Guys, you want to off your backup my data, so guys you can off it. In this video guys, I will show you how to off backup my data in Oppo phone. So let's see. First of all, open your phone setting to off backup my data. Then guys scroll it and come on guys system setting. The system setting guys, click here. Come in last guys backup and reset option, and guys backup my data you want to off, so you can off from here. And guys click on this okay option, notification, and okay. After guys you can see that these two thing guys will not work because guys we have off our backup my data. So I hope friends you have understood how to back up my data in Oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.